Welcome to Sri Vidya Academy for Special Education, Learning Made Easy. Dear students, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು Indefinite Integrals Exercise 7.1 NCERT ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಂದ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ನ. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ 1 ನೋಡಿ, this is by the method of inspection. ಅಂದ್ರೆ find the integral of the following functions by the method of inspection ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ ಬರೆಯುವಂತಹ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ sin 2x dx is the first question. So integral sin x ಏನು, you can recall integral sin x ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is minus cos x plus c. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ sin 2x ಇದೆ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ sin 2x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ 2x ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಈ ರೂಲ್ ನ ನೀವು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin 2x ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಿ. sin x ಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ x, sin 2x ಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ 2x ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ c is the answer. Let me consider another question, that is question number 2, that is integral cos 3x dx. ಈಗ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ cos x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರು sin x, that is integral cos x dx is sin x plus c. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ cos 3x ಅಂದ್ರೆ I have to write sin 3x divided by 3 plus c. ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x 3 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So let us consider question 3, that is integral e to the power of 2x dx, which is equal to e to the power of 2x divided by 2 plus c. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ integral e to the power of x is e to the power of x only. So it's a special function. Derivative of e to the power of x is e to the power of x, and integral e to the power of x is also e to the power of x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ e to the power of 2x ಇದೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ e to the power of 2x divided by 2, that is coefficient of x plus constant of integration. So you can look at this question number 4, that is integral ax plus b whole square dx. So you can recall integral x to the power of n ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ax plus b ಇದೆ, b constant, so you can consider ax plus b as x here. So answer will be ax plus b whole to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 ಆಮೇಲೆ divided by the coefficient of x ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ divided by a, that is into 1 by a ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. So answer will be ax plus b whole to the power of 3 divided by 3a plus c, that is constant of integration. So integral ax plus b whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ax plus b whole to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by a ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ into 1 by a ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. coefficient of x is a. So I will solve another question, that is question number 5, which is integral sin 2x minus 4 into e to the power of 3x dx. So ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ, so you can remember this. Integral f of x plus or minus g of x dx ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ this will be integral f of x dx plus or minus integral g of x dx. You can remember this property. So let us apply this property here, that is integral sin 2x minus 4 into e to the power of 3x dx. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ k ಇಂಟು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ k ಇಂಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಕ್ಕ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ sin 2x minus 4 into e to the power of 3x dx is equal to integral sin 2x dx minus 4 into integral e to the power of 3x into dx. So now integral sin 2x is minus cos 2x divided by 2. Coefficient of x ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. minus 4 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. e to the power of 3x ಗೆ e to the power of 3x divided by the coefficient of x which is 3 plus c. So answer is minus 1 by 2 cos 2x minus 4 by 3 e to the power of 3x plus c. This is the required answer. Now let us look at question number 6. That is, we are supposed to evaluate integral 4 into e to the power of 3x plus 1 dx. So let us consider the given integral I, and we have two functions here. One is constant function 1 and another is 4 into e to the power of 3x. So we can separately integrate these two functions, that is 4 into e to the power of 3x dx plus integral 1 dx. Now 4 is constant, you can keep as it is, and integral e to the power of 3x is e to the power of 3x divided by 3 plus integral 1 dx is x plus c. Now we will evaluate this integral x square into 1 minus x square by 1 minus 1 by x square into dx. Integral x square into 1 minus 1 by x square dx. So let us take this integral I. Will multiply this 1 minus 1 by x square, so that we will get x square into 1 is x square minus x square into 1 by x square is 1 into dx. So now it is easy for us to integrate this. Integral x square is x to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus integral 1 is x plus c, that is nothing but x cube by 3 minus x plus c. So whenever we have x square or x cube, so you can recall that integral x to the power of n dx, which is nothing but x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. And integral c dx is cx plus c. Integral 1 dx is 1x plus c, that is integral 1 is x plus c. Now let us evaluate this question number 8, that is integral ax square plus bx plus c with respect to x. So we can separately integrate all these terms. A is constant, we can keep it outside, and we have to integrate x square dx, plus b is constant, we need to integrate x dx, plus c is constant, so we have dx. So answer is a into integral x square is x to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, which is in the form of x to the power of n dx, that is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1, plus b into x square by 2, that is x to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, plus c into integral dx is x plus, I will write k as constant of integration as I have c here. So finally answer is a into x cube by 3 plus b into x square by 2 plus cx plus k. Next we'll solve this question number 9, that is integral 2x square plus e to the power of x dx. I will consider the required integral I as integral 2x square dx plus integral e to the power of x dx. So 2 is constant and we can apply the formula here. Integral x square is x to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus integral e to the power of x is e to the power of x plus c. So that is 2 into x cube by 3 plus e to the power of x plus c is the required answer. That is integral of 2x square plus e to the power of x dx is 2 into x cube by 3 plus e to the power of x plus c. Now you can look at question 10, which is integral root x minus 1 by root x whole square dx. So to integrate this, let me use the formula for this a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now I will consider this integral I, which is equal to root x whole square plus 1 by root x whole square minus 2 into root x into 1 by root x dx. Now root x square andre it is x plus 1 by root x square andre 1 by x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ root x cancel ಆಗಿ minus 2 dx. So now we can integrate all the terms separately, that is x dx plus integral dx by x, that is 1 by x into dx, minus 2 is constant, we can keep it as 2 into integral dx. Therefore integral x dx is x to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, that is x square by 2, plus dx by x is log of modulus of x, that is integral 1 by x dx andre log of modulus of x, and minus 2 into integral dx means x plus constant of integration. Now we will look question number 11, which is evaluate integral of x cube plus 5x square minus 4 divided by x square dx. Before solving this, that is before integrating, I will divide each term by x square so that we will get x cube by x square plus 5x square by x square minus 4 by x square dx. So x cube by x square, you know that a to the power of m by a to the power of n is a to the power of m minus n. Here I have x cube by x square means x to the power of 3 minus 2, which is x. So that is I have x cube by x square as x plus x square is eliminated in the second term, that is I have 5 minus 4 into x to the power of minus 2 dx. That is, if we have 1 by a to the power of m, this can be written as a to the power of minus m. So 4 by x square is 4 into x to the power of minus 2. Now we can integrate each term separately, that is x to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 5 into dx, that is 5x minus 4 into x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ x to the power of n dx which is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. And second term 5 anta ittala adu, that is integral kx or cx. Integral k dx is kx plus c. Adanna apply madide. So we'll simplify this. This is x to the power of 2 by 2 plus 5x minus 1 minus 2 is minus 1. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 4 into x to the power of 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus c. Finally we can write it as x square by 2 plus 5x plus 4 by x plus c. ಈಗ we will look at question 12, which is evaluate integral x cube plus 3x plus 4 divided by root x dx. So this can be written as integral x cube plus 3x plus 4 divided by x to the power of 1 by 2. Root x means x to the power of 1 by 2. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ root x ಅಂದ್ರೆ x to the power of 1 by 2. ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ root x ಇದ್ದದನ್ನ x to the power of 1 by 2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು x to the power of 1 by 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So that we will get x cube by x to the power of half plus 3x by x to the power of half plus 4 by x to the power of half dx. ಈಗ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ a to the power of m by a to the power of n ಇದ್ರೆ a to the power of m minus n and a to the power of minus m equals 1 by a to the power of m. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. So that I is equal to, that is required integral is equal to x to the power of 3 minus 1 by 2 dx plus 3 into integral x to the power of 1 minus 1 by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ power 1 ಇದೆ. 3 x to the power of 1 by x to the power of half ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 into x to the power of 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 4 into integral x to the power of minus 1 by 2 dx. So now this can be written as integral x to the power of 5 by 2 ಆಗತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. LCM ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 3 minus 1 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 minus 1 5 by 2 dx plus 3 into x to the power of 1 by 2 dx plus 4 into x to the power of minus of dx. Now let me integrate term by term, that is x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 into integral x to the power of half plus 1 by half plus 1, which is 3 by 2, plus 4 into x to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So we can write the final answer by simplification. 5 by 2 plus 1 here, 5 by 2 plus 1 is 7 by 2. And 5 by 2 plus 1 in the denominator is also 7 by 2. That can be written as 2 by 7 x to the power of 7 by 2 here. That is, we can write it as 2 by 7 x to the power of 7 by 2 plus. So you can look at the second term, that is half plus 1 is 3 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. And here also I have 3 by 2. So here I have 1 3. 3 and 3 is eliminated, so we have 2 into x to the power of 3 by 2. That is, next term is 2 into x to the power of 3 by 2, and last term is 1 minus half is half. Here also 1 minus half is half. That is, here you can observe 1 minus half is 1 by 2. 1 minus half is 1 by 2. So divided by 1 by 2 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ 2 ಆಯ್ತು. So 4 into 2 is 8 here. 8 into root x, that is x to the power of 1 by 2. So let me write this final term, that is 8 into x to the power of 1 by 2 plus c. Now let us look at question number 13, which is integral x cube minus x square minus plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. So in the numerator, in first two terms, you can observe ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ x cube minus x square ಇದೆ, ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. I will consider the integral I, which is x square ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ you will get x minus 1 plus ಇದನ್ನೊಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ x minus 1, that is 1 into x minus 1 ಅಂತ, divided by x minus 1. So ಈಗ next let us divide each term by x minus 1. Denominator x minus 1 ಇದೆ, x minus 1 ಇಂದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get x square plus 1 into dx. Here x square into x minus 1 first term ಇತ್ತು, by x minus 1 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ x square ಉಳಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ plus 1 into x minus 1 by x minus 1 ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 1 ಉಳಿತು. So I have 1 here, that is x square plus 1 into dx. Now we can integrate this. This is in the form of x to the power of n. So x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 means 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus integral 1 dx means x plus c. So answer is x cube by 3 plus x plus c. Now you can look at this question 14. Evaluate integral 1 minus x into root x dx. So as we know, root x andre x to the power of 1 by 2. ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣಂತೆ next step ಅಲ್ಲಿ integrate ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. 1 minus x into x to the power of 1 by 2 dx. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು x to the power of 1 by 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ x to the power of 1 by 2 ಮೈನಸ್ x into x to the power of 1 by 2 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ x to the power of 1 by 2 ಮೈನಸ್ x to the power of, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ x to the power of 1 into x to the power of half, ಅದು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ a to the power of m into a to the power of n ಇದ್ರೆ a to the power of m plus n ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಿ. ಹಾಗೆ 1 plus 1 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, that is 1 plus 1 by 2 ಅಂದರೆ 3 by 2. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ x to the power of half minus x to the power of 3 by 2 dx. So let us integrate each term. That is x to the power of half plus 1 by half plus 1 plus minus, here I have minus x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c, constant of integration. Half plus 1 is 3 by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 by 2 ಬಂದ್ರೆ we can write it as 2 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 minus here I have 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 by 2. ಅದನ್ನ 2 by 5 x to the power of 5 by 2 plus c ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. So this is the required answer. Now we can look at question 15, which is integral root x into 3x square plus 2x plus 3 dx. ಈಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ನ ಐ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಾಫ್, ವಿ ನೋ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by 2. ಅದರಿಂದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆವಾಗ 3x ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2x ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by 2 dx. Now before integration, let us simplify. We will get 3 as constant, and here I have 2 plus 1 by 2, which is 5 by 2, x to the power of 5 by 2 dx plus 2 into integral x into x to the power of half. First term nodi x square into x to the power of 1 by 2 ittu, that is x to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2. Adanna nanu 2 to the 4 plus 1 x to the power of 5 by 2 ಬರ್ದೆ. Next I have x into x to the power of half, that is x to the power of 1 plus half, that is 3 by 2. x to the power of 3 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. We can write it as x to the power of 3 by 2 dx plus 3 into integral x to the power of half dx. So ಈಗ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. x to the power of 5 by 2 ಅಂದರೆ x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮಲ್ಲೂ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ x to the power of n ಅಂದರೆ x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 into x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 into x to the power of half plus 1 by half plus 1 plus c. Now I have 3 into, here you can observe 5 by 2 plus 1 is 7 by 2. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು 2 by 7 x to the power of 7 by 2 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ. 3 by 2 plus 1 ಅಂದರೆ 5 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು I can write it as 2 by 5 into x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 3 into half plus 1 is 3 by 2. So let me write it as 2 by 3 into x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. So let us simplify and write final answer. 3 2s are 6 by 7 x to the power of 7 by 2 plus 4 by 5 x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 3 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 into x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. This is the required answer. 6 by 7 x to the power of 7 by 2, 4 by 5 x to the power of 5 by 2, 2 into x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. Now we can look at this question 16, which is evaluate integral 2x minus 3 cos x plus e to the power of x dx. So we can integrate term by term. Let me consider the given integral as I, which is 2 times of integral x minus 3 into integral cos x plus integral e to the power of x. Of course I need to write dx here with all terms. Now which is 2 into integral x is x to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 minus 3 into integral cos x is sin x plus integral e to the power of x is e to the power of x plus constant of integration, that is 1 plus 1 2, 2 is eliminated here. So I have x square minus 3 sin x plus e to the power of x plus c. Now we can look at this question number 17, that is integral 2x square minus 3 sin x plus 5 into root x dx. So ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. I will consider this as I integral 2 times of integral of x square dx minus 3 into integral sin x plus 5 into integral root x is x to the power of dx. Now this is in the form of x to the power of n, so I have to write x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 3 into integral sin x ಅಂದರೆ minus cos x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus 5 into x to the power of half, integrate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x to the power of half plus 1 by half plus 1 plus constant of integration. So we'll simplify this. This is 2 by 3, 2 plus 1, 3. So x to the power of 2 plus 1 andre x to the power of 3 agate. That is, I have x to the power of 3 here, minus of minus plus 3 cos x plus, here I have half plus 1. Half plus 1 andre 3 by 2. So ಆ 2 ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋದ್ರೆ ನಾವು it is 5 into 2, 10 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. 10 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. This is the required answer. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2-3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ that is integral f of x g of x plus h of x dx ಹಿಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇದು integral f of x dx plus integral g of x dx plus integral h of x dx. So on, if you have n functions, you can integrate n times. Now let us solve question 18. That is integral secant x into secant x plus tan x dx. So first ಗೆ ನಾನು secant x ಇಂದ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. I is equal to secant x into secant x first, then secant x into tan x. So I have secant square x plus secant x into tan x. So we can separately integrate these two terms here. That is, I have integral secant square x dx plus integral secant x tan x dx. So integral secant square is tan x. You can recall derivative of tan x is secant square x. So integral secant square x is tan x plus integral secant x tan x. We know that derivative of secant x is secant x tan x. So integral secant x tan x is secant x plus c, constant of integration. Now you can look at question number 19. That is integral secant square x divided by cosecant square x dx. We have to integrate secant square x by cosecant square x. So we know that secant square x andre namge 1 by cos square x. That is, cos square x and secant square x athwa cos x and secant x are reciprocals. Similarly, cosecant x is equal to 1 by sin x athwa sin x is equal to 1 by cosecant x. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ given integral I becomes 1 by cosecant square x ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು sin square x ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗೆ secant square x ನ 1 by cos square x ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ I becomes sin square x by cos square x, which is nothing but integral tan square x. We know that sin x by cos x ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan x. ಅದರಿಂದ sin square x by cos square x ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan square x dx ಆಯಿತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ tan square x ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು secant square x minus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು into dx. That is, we have this secant square x is 1 plus tan square x. ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ tan square x ಅಂದ್ರೆ secant square x minus 1 ಆಯಿತು. Now we can integrate this separately. That is integral secant square x dx minus integral dx. So integral secant square x ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus integral 1 dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ tan x minus x plus c is the answer. Now in exercise 7.1 I have this question, last question, question number 20, which is integral 2 minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x. ಈಗ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾನು cos square x ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಆವಾಗ I becomes integral 2 by cos square x minus 3 sin x by cos square x. ಅದನ್ನ cos x into cos x ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, cos square x ಅನ್ನ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ 2 by cos square x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, 1 by cos square x ಅಂದ್ರೆ secant square x dx ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಇಂಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ sin x by cos x ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 1 by cos x ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು 1 by cos x ಅಂದ್ರೆ secant x dx ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ secant square x ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is tan x minus 3 into integral secant x tan x ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is secant x plus c. We know that derivative of secant x ಅಂದ್ರೆ secant x tan x, derivative of tan x ಅಂದ್ರೆ secant square x. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ integration is the process opposite to differentiation. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಆಂಟಿ ಡಿರೈವೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ secant square x ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ it is tan x and integral secant x tan x ಅಂದ್ರೆ secant x plus c. So in my next video I will discuss exercise 7.2. Thank you.